guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be collaborating with Nadula Hair. This is their body wave frontal wig. I will have all the specs down below, but I just wanted to show you their packaging. This is their box. It's their standard regular black box, and they put some gifts in their packagings. They put some duckbill clips, a wig cap, this cute headband, and a scarf. So yeah, this is all the things that they had in their packaging today. I'm just gonna get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by using my Erickaj wax stick, and I normally use edge control, but I couldn't find it. This is the wig. It's really nice and silky. This is a body wave wig, as you can see. I did pluck it just a little bit and it's perfect around my ear, so I'm just showing you how the lace is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cream foundation. This is in the color 14 and 15. For the 15, I make sure I put it around the hairline, so that's gonna disguise the little flat ashy look. I'm using the wax stick again, and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair section by section. This is gonna get your hair super flat, so do not skip this section. I'm just showing you how natural the lace is looking. I'm gonna spray the Sebastian shaper just through their hair. I'm about to just flat iron this hair. Very simple, using my Babyliss Nano Pro flat iron, and then I'll come back. This is the 1.5 inch, self-explanatory. I'm using the Ebon Lace Wonder. I'm gonna put 3 coats and spray this wig down. This is self-explanatory, but this can last me a whole 2 days without reapplying it, or without it even lifting up. As long as you tie it down at night and make sure you sleep with a bonnet and stuff, your wig is gonna be perfectly fine. This spray does not move. So now that it's nice and stuck, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down. Putting the tension helps for it to melt into the lace. So you wanna do that for about 10 minutes. And if you're blow drying it, you can do it for 7 minutes. And now I'm gonna put some layers in the hair. I just parted out right by my ear, and I'm going to cut it going down gradually. This is very self-explanatory. Just look at what I'm doing and follow along.
You're a star, not yet. You and you raise one with my friends.
And then once I do that, I just bump the ends, and I do that all around the hair. Now I'm going to use my concealer brush. If you don't want to use your concealer brush, you can just get the same Ruby Kisses in the color number 2 if you're my skin tone, and that's going to define the part. I'm using an old mascara wand to fix up any over bleached areas, and I feel like it's perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace. I'm cutting it in a jagged edge. This helps for your wig to look more natural because it's gonna melt into the skin even more. And once you're done cutting it off, make sure you spray a little bit more spray. That's gonna give you the ultimate skin look. I'm using the coconut oil RGX, I believe this is, or RX. And then I'm going to spray some Got To Be, and this is going to help make the hair stay exactly how I put it. I did add a little bit too much wax, but that's still fine. When you hot comb the hair, this makes it dry even faster. It makes the Got To Be dry faster. And this is how the hairline is looking. I'm going back in with that number 15 to get rid of that white cast. And if you want, you can stop right here if you don't want any edges, but as you know me, I love a little bit of edges, so I'm gonna add some. I'm just fixing up my part, just parting it out, making sure that it's as centered as possible, and then I'm just plucking out a little bit just to make sure it's nice and defined. And now I'm going to do my edges. Very self-explanatory. I do a C-shape method and then I just trim it down. Well, actually, I use my hot comb to make sure that it's going in the way that I want it to. And once I have it perfect into my liking, I'm just going to trim it down with the razor. You could use scissors as well. Just go up and down in an up and down motion, and that's going to help it be nice and jagged. And I'm using my little bitty flat iron to curl this hair. When you curl it, it helps for the hair to have a more natural edges effect instead of being like straight. Then I'm going to mix these two together. I really did not like this combo, but that's what I used today. I didn't even get to show you guys me laying it down, but that was the combo I used. If you guys want a detailed edges tutorial, just let me know down below and I will definitely just do a video dedicated to me doing my edges really slow. And this is basically the look. I love how this turned out. I did go ahead and do my makeup. So if you guys want to see that makeup tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting it after this video. Maybe 2 days after I post this video, I'm gonna post the makeup look. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you guys will be updated when the video is posted. I'm really excited about that makeup look because I've been doing my makeup differently nowadays and I feel like it's giving. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I just went ahead and just fixed up the hair a little bit more, flat ironed it a little bit more, but this is the end look. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit at the end. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did or you learned anything from it, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out Nadula Hair. I truly enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I love the way that this wig turned out. So if you like it too, make sure you comment down below, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
Yeah, focus, focus. Use her for the bag, she ain't even notice. We popped the Hennessy, now she wanna wear the ring. Oh, forget about it, I ain't buying anything. Oh, focus.